Hey guys, today we're over here at Treasure Cove Castaway Creek, located at the Westgate Lakes Resort and Spa, guys. So they've actually got a Castaway Creek over here, similar to the Typhoon Lagoon in Disney World, but you can see it's a lot smaller. Speeds going around are a little slower, and they're very limited on the tubes over here, guys. So if you guys are looking to get in here, you got to kind of hunt down your tubes. But the water is nice. It feels like the water's about like 85 degrees. And you can see out in front of me, I got Morgan out there, I got Mama, I got Marley, and we're making our way around. It's a real short one, but it's got some spots that are kind of cool. If you guys get a chance to take a look, they've got a little wet bar out in the middle there. They've got some slides out back. So this is actually a pretty cool water park hotel. Now, if you guys are looking to stay here, my advice is they have a kind of like a meet and greet where you guys can turn around and sit through a little, kind of like a timeshare presentation. We didn't do that, but you could sit through the timeshare thing, and they give you like, I think it's like $100 gift card and stuff. You get complimentary breakfast. So by sitting through that, it's kind of worth your time, because we spent 20 bucks a head to get in here. So there's Marley waving. So it's not the same as the Typhoon Lagoon, but you know, it is fun. It's a nice day out and stuff. We wanted to try something different, so this is different. You can see they've got a lot of stuff as you're making your way around. Have a look at the little wet bar over there. I'm gonna try to keep this camera straight. It's hard being in a tube and filming, and I got the water coming down, so let me get off to the side if possible. I don't want to go getting all soaked and wet. There we go. Little rain coming down, and you got all kinds of spots. Like right there, you can order your shaved ice right there, and that's the resort in the background there. And once again, this is a resort. You know, it's outside of Disney, so you don't have the same, you know, it's not the same caliber of what you're looking for in a resort in Disney. You come in here, it's like a regular hotel or motel, so they do have some age on them. Stuff does look old. A lot of stuff is not included, like when you go into Disney. Most of it, you can go and use all the water parks or the water pools and stuff on property. Here, you're gonna be paying for that stuff, but there you go. There's a Treasure Cove Water Park. Morgan's way up there without a tube. I'm trying to catch up in this lazy river. It's like they turned the jets off, so it's getting slower, but we're making our way around. You can see we're almost around the entire pool right now. This here coming up on the right is like a wave pool. So you guys, if you want something like that, they do have the wave pool. They turned that on. It got real loud when they turned it on. They've got the big, as we go by, I'll turn the camera and you guys can see the storm tubes coming down, or the storm slides. I'm working my way around, and the music's very loud, as you can tell. Like a little Gloria Estefan. And there's some of the slides, as you guys see them coming down. The lines right now, they're not that bad to get up there. You can see it. I'm looking at about maybe about 15 people up there, maybe a little less. And they got two slides. They got the big blue one up there, the blue and green, and then they got the yellow and red. And that's about it, guys. So that's pretty much one lap around. I got a little bit as we get around this corner. We're gonna see the parrots with the water coming down. That's gonna be a one lapper. So once again, the Westgate Lakes Resort and Spa. This is their little lazy river Castaway Creek. So if you guys get a chance to get out there and check it out, I'd recommend it. It's not bad. It's nice, something a little different, a nice little getaway. So as always, guys, we'll catch you guys on the next one and give you a little glimpse of where we are. But we will be back in Disney soon, guys. Keep posted.